To be a star, you must shine your own light. Follow your path, and don't worry about the darkness, for that is when the stars shine brightest. Quote by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Namaste, dear yogis. Welcome to Yoga Nidra. This is a guided meditation for deep relaxation and inner peace. Take a moment to find your position. Lie down on your back. Lengthen out your legs. Heels are wider than your hips. Feel free to place a cushion under your knees for support and comfort. Place your arms away from your body with your palms facing up. Gently close your eyes or keep a soft gaze. Let's begin. Take a deep cleansing breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Let the exhale be a release. Take another deep cleansing breath in through your nose. Exhale and release any tension you hold. Let it melt into the earth. Then allow your breath to flow naturally. Notice the rise and fall of your tummy and chest each time you breathe in and each time you breathe out. Notice your body and notice a connection with the surface below you. Allow your body to soften and get heavy each time you exhale. Allow yourself to receive the support. Surrender to it. Feel every contact point where your body connects with the surface that you're lying on. Let's set our intention together. Say this with me. I connect with the light of my inner knowing. Let this light guide me today and every day, so I can live to my highest purpose. Let's say that once more. I connect with the light of my inner knowing. Let this light guide me today and every day, so I can live to my highest purpose. Feel your body breathing. Then take a deep breath in from the soles of your feet and pull the clean, fresh air and energy into your whole system. Pull the breath all the way up over your head. And as you exhale, feel every cell in your body exhaling in gratitude, washing over you like a wave. Do that one more time. Breathing in from the soles of your feet. Let the wave of clean, fresh air wash over you. Exhale. Let the wave come down, washing you in gratitude. Bring your awareness to your sense of hearing. Become aware of any sounds you hear right now without any strain. Begin to focus on the most distant sound you can hear. A sound that's outside the building or the structure that you're in. Notice another sound you hear far away. And listen to a third sound that you hear far away without identifying its source. Move your attention from sound to sound. Gradually, bring your attention to closer sounds. The sounds that you hear outside of the building that you're in. Then notice the sounds inside the room or the space that you're in. Inside this very room. Notice the sounds your body is making. Now listen to all the sounds, one by one. Jump from one sound to another. Now let go of your sense of hearing. Bring your awareness to the body parts I speak to and move forward when instructed, but remain completely still. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your body still. Allow your body to respond directly to my words. Embody the instructions. Feel and experience them with your body. At each point, see or place a twinkling star or senses point in your body. Bring your awareness to the point in between your eyebrows, your third eye point. Place a tiny twinkling star here. Now feel your throat. Place a star on your throat. And each point that follows, place a little star of light. Right shoulder. Right elbow. Right wrist. Pinky finger. Ring finger. Middle finger. Index finger, your right thumb, your right wrist, elbow, shoulder, throat, left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, pinky finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, your left thumb, your left wrist, elbow, shoulder, your throat, center of your chest, right side of your chest, left side of your chest, center of your chest, navel center, base of your spine. Right hip joint, middle of your right thigh, right knee joint, middle of your right calf, right ankle, sole of your right foot, little toe, fourth toe, third toe, second toe, and your right big toe. Right ankle joint, middle of your right calf, knee joint, middle of your right thigh, right hip joint, base of your spine. Left hip joint, middle of your left thigh, left knee joint, middle of your left calf, left ankle, sole of your left foot, little toe, fourth toe, third toe, second toe, and your left big toe. Left ankle joint, middle of your left calf, left knee joint, middle of your left thigh, left hip joint. Pelvic center, base of your spine. navel center, center of your chest, right side of your chest, left side of your chest, center of your chest, base of your throat, third eye center, and the crown of your head. See a constellation of stars in your body. Sense a galaxy of stars above and below you, like you're swimming in an ocean of stars. Feel your whole body floating in a sea of starlight. Your body is filled with this light. See yourself glowing in luminosity. Rest in cosmic awareness, held by a whole system of stars. Bring your focus to your breath. Breathe deeply in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Start counting your breaths from 21 down to 1, like this. Deep breath in, 21, and exhale, 21. Breathe in 20, and breathe out 20. Breathe in 19, breathe out 19. Keep going. If you lose count, no worries, just come back to 21. Take one more deep breath. Release your counting and slowly remember our intention. Say it with me. I connect with the light of my inner knowing. Let this light guide me today and every day. So I can live to my highest purpose. I connect with the light of my inner knowing. Let this light guide me today and every day so I can live to my highest purpose. Ask for any signs, any images or sensation that you can bring with you into the rest of your day. Notice if an intention arises spontaneously. Slowly begin to notice your body, a sacred vessel that you get to explore the universe with. See yourself floating in the universe. And slowly see your body landing softly and safely back down to earth, to the room, to the space that you're in, and to the surface that you're lying on. Observe how your body is positioned. See your face, your hair, the clothes that you're wearing. Feel your body and feel the surface below you. Lean into it. Feel yourself heavy, soft, and relaxed. Feel your skin and sense the clothes gently caressing your skin. Notice the air on your face and exposed skin. Take a deep cleansing breath in through your nose. Deep cleansing breath out through your nose. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Begin to invite movement in your body. Gently roll your head from right to left a few times. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Move your hands and feet. Gently stretch your body if that feels good. Whenever you're ready, roll over to your right side and gently push yourself up into a seated cross-legged position. Dip your chin down towards your chest. Slowly blink your eyes open and take in the colors of your room. Take a few notes before you slowly move into the rest of your day. Thank you so much for practicing Yoga Nidra with me. May this practice be a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Start your day feeling blissful with the free Blissful Morning Guide. Get yours now by clicking the first link below this video. Just enter your name and email and I'll send it to you right away. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new yoga and meditation videos every week. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. And I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye for now.